how to fix keyboard on Android. Now first, it depends upon which Android you're using, which keyboard app does it come with, and what kind of issues you're having. So in the case of my Samsung phone, the keyboard app that it comes with is the Samsung keyboard itself. But in most Android phones, you will have Google keyboard, and in Xiaomi, you might have other keyboards and such. First, it is important to identify which keyboard app you have, right? Now, as for any sort of issues that you might be having, you can try to go to the keyboard settings. So depending upon what you're using, just try to go to settings and you'll find a couple of options right here. So you can just try to check what issues you're having. If you're having issues with, let's say, typing yourself in general, you can try to turn off or turn on some settings. Now, another thing that I would recommend you is you simply open settings, then you go to the apps. Once you go to apps, you can just search for show all apps. And here you can simply search for your keyboard app. Now, because I'm using Samsung keyboard, you will be able to say Samsung keyboard option. If you don't see it, if you're using Google keyboard, you can update it from your Play Store. But for Samsung keyboard, I can update it from my Galaxy Store. I can just come here and I can just tap on the apps section, and I'll be able to simply search for the app that I want, which is the keyboard application. So I can just type in keyboard, and then I'll be able to see if there's any sort of update for the Samsung keyboard app or other keyboards app, and then I'll be able to update them accordingly. Now, last but not the least, what I'd recommend you do is to simply reset the settings, not your whole phone. You don't have to reset your whole phone, but just go to general, try to look for the reset option, and just reset all settings. This will reset any settings that you have customized, whether it is mobile settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth settings, or accessibility settings. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.